Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you two important things. Number one, without using formulas, how can I get the total of this data? How can I get a running total of this data? How can I draw a chart without going through the normal difficult route of drawing a chart? And more other things I'll be showing you. Number two, I'm going to show you how to do data validation on a column, say that unique values are only entered in a given column. Let's get started. So what I'll do here, I'll highlight this data. Once I highlight this data, you see this box over here, and it says quick analysis. Click there. What do you see? You see a number of things about formatting, about charts, about totals, tables, spark lines, and so on. For example, if I come to formats and I click here, you can see it gives you data bars. In other words, the amount of this is, the bar for this is 34, is that 20 is much smaller, then 50, then 76. So these are called data bars. So you can use that. You can clear the format, come back. So under format, as I go through this, it highlights the colors. You see all this, greater than, top 10, and so on. You can explore by the charts. I click here, I can draw a chart. I can draw such a chart. I just need to double click there and I draw each of these charts the way I want. If I go to the totals, which I wanted to show you, I can, you see, when I click there, I get the total, not use the formula, but just clicking only this, running total for the row. Now this is the running total, which I was told you I'll show you. Running total is actually here, not the other one. This is the one. So if I click here, by just clicking there, I can get a running total. So I don't need to go put formulas. It has already put a formula for me. I just use just this quick analysis to do a lot of things. I can convert this into a table, spark lines. It's all here. You can get the count, you can get the average. You just click on what you want and you're there. So that is a tip of how to quickly analyze data without going through the difficult parts of adding formulas. I'm going to address unique values in a column. After I did a video on data validation, I received a comment from one of the people who viewed the video that how can we put a validation on a column so that only unique values are entered in a column. This is what I'm going to address in this video. So assuming my column is D of serial numbers, I want unique serial numbers only in this column. What do I have to do? I'm going to highlight my range, go to data validation. Now I'm going to use the custom validation, and I'm going to put here a formula which will be count if. So in other words, I'm going to count all the values here. I'm going to lock them, F4. I'm going to count all the values, compare them to an already entered value, for example, in D2. If the count is less or equal to 1, allow the value. Otherwise, don't allow the value and give me an error message. So what error message should I allow? I'm going to put a title of error, and then I put duplicate values are not allowed in this column. Okay? I say, okay. So let's try it out. I put a serial number. Now I try to enter the serial number again. There you go. It gives me an error. Duplicate values are not allowed in this column. So with this, the user or the inputter of the data can know that duplicates are not allowed. So they come back, enter unique 002, allowed 003, allowed 004. Let me repeat one of these, 003. Not allowed because it is a duplicate. So this way you can control what is entered in a given column by using the COUNTIF function. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification button if you want to see more videos like this.